Hi, I'm Mike Upwall with Upwall Design Architects. Welcome to Sunnyridge North. This modern home sits on the top of a mountain, featuring 360-degree views of the valleys below. As you drive up, you arrive at the auto courtyard, where you are embraced by the structure. The exterior is clad in metal panel siding of copper, brass, and bronze that will naturally patina over time. But it's freezing out here. Let's get inside and I'll show you around. Upon entering the great room, you're greeted with a two-story soaring space, which allows the space to maintain such a dynamic experience. At the base of the stone wall is this beautiful fireplace that provides warmth and ambience to you and your friends. Adjacent to this room is the guest room. Many homes have guest rooms, but this one's special. It continues the radius design of the home by surrounding your guest with view and natural light. What a wonderful place to wake up in the morning. But my favorite feature of this room is the two-story glass window that wraps around the view of the mountains outside, leaning out and also encouraging circulation into the next space of the home. This home is designed for entertaining, so the kitchen is a showpiece. It's the stage set. The rooms are designed to satellite off of the kitchen. You can still have a visual and a connective experience to the dining room, the great room, and the hearth room, where you can kick back, relax, and watch your favorite show. The master bedroom is separated from the public space by this bridge that designates a separation and a transition from public to private space. We're celebrating this experience by the window wall on the right that creates a rhythm that we move through. Not a long hallway, but a series of spaces, each one framing a unique view of the mountains. As you move into the master bedroom, you're greeted by this floor-to-ceiling window. Once you're in this space, you have complete privacy and everything you need. A fireplace, a TV, a sitting area to read and chill out. This perspective of the valley below is yours and yours alone. As you come down the stairs, you enter into an amazing theater lobby. The seating area is at the base of the staircase, which utilizes the shape of the structure. This is a cozy space for you to relax after the movie, and also offers one of the best views of the home, the view up the staircase. This theater has it all. Red velvet seats with cup holders in a stadium configuration, and soundproofing so you can play your movies as loud as you'd like. And I love the carpet in here, which is a throwback to old Hollywood movie theaters. And let's talk about the screen. It's definitely the biggest on the mountain for sure. This is the venue for your own private film festival. But there's more. Let's go upstairs. At the top of the stairs, you arrive at a loft transition area, offering 180-degree views of the space below, as well as the mountains beyond. But this home has its own summit, the private study, which is just around the corner. This space truly represents all the best architectural elements of the home, from the fireplace to the backlit free-floating ceiling and the leaning windows. Here you can experience the full realization of the structure in one private retreat. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Sunnyridge North. I had an absolute blast showing around the house, but now I'm going to go hit the slopes.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?